guys, and welcome back to this 2019 racing season recap. Today we are at Circuito Tazzo Nuvolari for the third racing weekend, and the past one was an incredible week. 5 days ago I had one final test before the race, and I completely destroyed my bike. So I lost it and the bike hit a curb and took off. And it hit the curb with the engine. So I did 10,000 euros damage. The hit was so hard that it even broke the crankshaft. So I destroyed the engine and all the rest. That was a disaster. And the thing is that I didn't have the money to fix the bike. I couldn't afford to fix it in time, and the season should have been over. But then something incredible happened. As soon as all my followers knew about the crash, my whole Italian and even foreign community wanted to support me and collected the money to fix the bike in 3 hours. That was the most incredible thing that ever happened in my whole life. It's something that I never expected, and that brought me tears, really. You know, all the people watching these videos were so engaged with them that they didn't want to see this dream over. So they decided to help me straight away. That's something incredible, and I will be thankful with them for my whole life. So thanks to their support, there we are. But not with my bike, because the damage was so big that it took too long to fix it. So we rented another Yamaha one, which is the one I used in 2018 to race, which the team after the season sold, and then they rented back for this race. And the team did an incredible job to adapt the bike in time for the race. And as soon as I jumped on it, I found the same feeling as mine. And this morning in qualifying I did the pole position with 0.8 of a second from Palladino and more than 1 second from D'Ambrosio. So I was fast, really fast. And today I can win easily. I mean, not really that easily, but I can. I have good chances. And after 2 years of racing, I have never won a race yet. So today, this might be the first victory of my life. Let's do it. Oh my god, my bike switched off at start. This is the biggest nightmare of any rider. I saw my whole life passing by. This is the riskiest thing that can happen, because those starting behind get to you at full speed, and if they see you in the last moment, they cannot avoid you. And this is how you may die. So as soon as it turned off, I pulled the clutch and I tried to turn it back on. And in those 3 seconds, I clenched my teeth and I was waiting for the hit to strike, which fortunately did not happen. I swear to you, that was the worst thing that ever happened in my whole life. It's like if you were on the gallows and you waiting for the executioner to hit. That has not arrived, but it didn't happen. But how the hell did I do that? I mean, it's something that never happened to me, and I want to understand why. Why did I do that? Let's think about that. I have arrived on Saturday at the racetrack. And as you know, the bike isn't mine, so you jump on and you regulate everything. The handlebar, the levers, the pegs, the position, the saddle. Then you have to enter, ride, try to go fast, try to overcome the crash. Try not to think about that the bike is not yours and you don't want to destroy it. Adjust the riding, the setup, the feeling. Then I have to think about another thing that normally riders don't do, which is the videos. I have to mount the cameras, turn that off, check the batteries, check the memory, download the data, give instruction to the cameraman. Then I have to think about the topic. I think about what to say in the video. I think about what I already said. I think about, is the storytelling good or not? Then the Sunday comes and you have to concentrate, to focus, do the qualifying, pole position, and then again, cameras, batteries, memories, cameraman, instructions. And among those zillions of things, I completely forgot to adjust the clutch lever. I mean, that thought didn't even exist in my brain. I just didn't think about it. The problem is that on this bike, the clutch is engaged here, while on my bike, it engages here. So the thing is that as long as you try the starts in the morning in a qualifying session, and you don't see the lights, and you just have to start, it feels good. Then, when I found myself on the starting grid with tense nerves, looking at the light, getting ready to start as fast as you can, I didn't think about the clutch and I released it as I usually do. It engaged suddenly and the bike turned off. So given the past races, I always said that I had bad luck, but no, today I must say I had good luck because I survived one of the worst nightmares that can possibly happen. So this colossal mistake today teaches that distraction is the biggest cause of accident. And this mistake made me understand that I cannot arrive to the racing weekend with the mind full of thoughts. I just go into confusion and I do these stupid mistakes. So for the next racing weekends, I will make a checklist of all the things that need to be done in order not to lose anything. Anyway, disaster averted, but now I am 22nd. I am pissed off like a beast and I cannot throw away a championship like that. Now I have 8 laps to go, head down and let's start the comeback of my life. 8 laps from now. What a mess to go through traffic. I need to pass as many as I can, but I cannot risk to crash. So I must be careful at the same time. Oof, let's go. I passed a lot of them. I told you it's an amateur championship, so the last riders are really amateur. That's why I'm passing them so easily. But you cannot imagine the anger that I have inside. I have the devil inside me. That was going to be a high side. Damn, the way that I slipped in. Let's go, 10th. However, I have identified the weak spot of everyone. They are very slow to do the pickup and accelerate, so I can pass them easily on the exits. That's what I said. Traded the bike, full gas, and passed them in the exit. Now I am As you see, when braking, they brake hard, so it's hard to pass them in braking. But if you do the right line, it's easier to pass them in the exit. Mamma mia, what a comeback! I lost the count. Now I see the riders fighting for the podium in front of me, but they are 4 seconds ahead. I have to push like a beast to go get it. I have 4 laps to go. Let's do it. Go, go, go! I got them! Look at how he's not giving up. He is the reigning champion of the 600 class, and this year he moved to 1000. I know him very well, and I know he will be very hard to pass him. Last lap, now or never. Too much, I'll go wide. Damn! Less corners. Let's go! Come on! What a race! From 22nd to 4th, 8 laps. I'm dead. Really. Great man. What a fight.
Non so come ho fatto, cioè non lo so. Mollata si è spenta.
Cosa è successo?
Mollato la pressione si è spenta.
Ma l'hai mollata di colpo, perché va. Mi sa che l'hai mollata tutta sta pressione. Ha fatto un salto.
Ma non tutta. L'ho provata prima la partenza.
La prima partenza è stata brutta.
Sì.
La seconda è stata.
Undoubtedly, I had a lot of fun doing this comeback, and I think you enjoyed to see those fights. But I'm not here to have fun. I'm here to win. And even today, the victory does not want to arrive. In every race, I continue to give my best, but in one way or another, I continue to make mistakes that always cost me the top step of the podium. Experience. Okay, yes, experience, okay, but I'm fucking sick of making experience. Actually, I want to finally reap the benefits of my work. I want to be able to finally experience on my skin the sensation of climbing on the highest step of the podium and of passing first under the checkered flag with the mechanics standing on the wall while they're celebrating. That thing I have been chasing for 1 year and a half, and that I always had found in my hands to then see it vanish at the last second. My first victory has now officially become an obsession, something that, in addition to the intrinsic difficulty of being able to win a motorbike race, also adds an emotional state that does not put me in the ideal condition for relaxed racing. But there is still race 2. Today I know very well that I have the cards in order to take this blessed victory home. The only thing that I have to do in these 3 hours before race 2 is to adjust the clutch, and after that I will lie quietly on the track, away from everything and everyone, and clear my mind. Because the races are won with the head and not with the right wrist. And if your head is not free, the result does not come. Will I be able today to finally conquer my first victory?